We are expected in this problem to find the value of the digit m in the number 1m03 written to base 4 equals 311 in base 6. As observed, the bases on both sides are different, and therefore let us convert both bases to base 10. This is by an expansion procedure. So let us get into this one straight off. Solution. Let's take 1m03 written to this 4 and equal to 311 written to base 6. And the procedure is by an expansion. So let us write exponents on the digits from the far right hand side towards the left, starting from 0, 1, and 2. This represents the powers to which we're going to raise these bases. All right. And for the number on the left-hand side, we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now the expansion, let's go. So we have taken the first digit, we have 1, and this has to multiply the base 4. Raise to the power the number written on that one, which is 3. All of this plus the next digit. Next digit is the unknown digits, maintained as m. This has to multiply the base 4. Raise to the power the number written on it, which is 2. Continue in that manner, plus the next digit is 0. And we can omit the computation with the 0, because now we have 0 multiplying the result. And 0 multiplied by any number gives 0. So the computation with this 0 adds no value to the result, and we can omit it. Let's go to the next digit, which is 3, multiplied by the base, which is base 4, raised to the power the number written on 3, which is 0. Now we repeat the procedure on the right-hand side. First digit on the right is 3. So we take 3 and multiply by the base. The base is 6. Raised to the power the number written on 3, which is 2. Plus the next digit, which is 1, multiplied by the base 6. Raised to the power the number written on 1, which is actually 1. Plus the last digit, and the last digit is 1, of course, multiplied by the base, and the base is 6. Raised to the power the number written on it, which is 0. Now we can go ahead and evaluate each of these units, starting from the power area in each case. So let's go. That means 4 to the power 3, 4 multiplying itself 3 different times, that's 64. 64 multiplied by 1 gives us 64. Plus 4 to the power 2, that's 16. 16 multiplied by m, that's 16m. Then plus, we have 4 to the power 0, which is 1, because any number raised to the power 0 is 1, according to the law of indices. 1 multiplied by 3 gives us 3. That's okay for the left-hand side. Now, we evaluate on the right-hand side, starting from the powers once again. 6 to the power 2 gives us 36. 36 multiplied by 3 gives us 108. 108. Plus, next area, 6 to the power 1 gives us 6. That 6 multiplied by 1 is still 6. And finally, we have 6 to the power 0, which is 1, as explained, according to the law of indices. And that one resulting here, multiplied by 1, gives us 1. Let us take our time to add up the digits on the right-hand side and come up with a single sum. So let's do that. And that means we retain 16m plus, we can add up 64 and 3, which is actually 67. 67 equals, let's add up 108 plus 6, that's 114 plus 1, 115. And now we can subtract 67 from both sides, a way of saying we're relocating 67 to the other side to change the sign into a minus. This means subtracting 67 from both sides, we're left with 16m equals 115 minus 67. And if we may continue in this area, or we still have a little space, 16m equals 115 minus 67 gives us 48. And by dividing both sides by 16, of course, we have, therefore, m will be dividing both sides by 16, 48 on the right-hand side divided by 16 on the left. And this means 16 can divide into 48 3 times. Therefore, in the final analysis, the unknown digit m is actually equal to 3. Very simple. That's our final answer. And really, that's the option D over there. That's right. Now, attached to this video are 2 quizzes to test your understanding of this content. So take the quizzes, click on your answer, and then follow the explanations provided. Also attached in a pinned comment is the link to the test on number basis. There are 30 questions to be solved in 30 minutes. Please take the quiz, take the test to check your understanding or your mastery of the topic number basis. Finally, in the pinned comment, there is another link that takes you to the full presentation of the topic number basis. If you wish to learn the topic from beginning to the end, to have full understanding, then click on that link in the pinned comment. It takes you to the full presentation of number basis as a topic. All right. Thank you for being part of this session. And of course, I expect to see you in my next video.